Investing is a logical endeavor, and human beings with our highly evolved prefrontal cortex are very well suited to making great financial decisions, right? No, it's not how it is at all. In reality, when it comes to financial decisions, we're actually wired to do it all wrong. In this video, I talk about behavioral finance and 3 investing mistakes that are so easy to make, but that you need to avoid. Coming up. Hey, I'm Dr. Brad Klontz. On this channel, we help you transform your relationship with money, master the psychology of wealth, and live a life of abundance. So if you're new here, please subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So what is behavioral finance? Behavioral finance is the application of cognitive psychology to finance, which looks at how we are hardwired to think and solve problems. Studies have repeatedly shown that the human brain, which was designed for survival in a world of large predators and competition for food, is quite impaired when it comes to making good, rational financial decisions. For this reason, we've seen market bubbles and crashes throughout all of recorded history. From the tulip mania, which swept Holland in the 1600s, to the tech bubble, to the housing bubble of 2008, we just keep doing the same crazy stuff when it comes to money. So I'm going to break down 3 investing mistakes you are going to make unless you stop following your gut and you start second-guessing yourself. Warning, if you have a fragile ego, best to just hop off this video right now because I'm about to serve you up with some harsh truths. Stuff your friends are too afraid to tell you. It's about to get kind of nasty. Mistake number 1, overconfidence bias. So let's get real. You think way too highly of yourself. Sorry, someone had to tell you. You have way too much faith in your intuition, your judgment, and your cognitive prowess. This makes you prone to taking too much risk and you're embarrassingly sure of your conclusions. So guess who's better at investing? Men or women? Answer, women. Studies show that they're better on average by about 1%. Why? Because they aren't as cocky. And men end up trading more often, which pummels their returns. So a good dose of self-doubt will really help you become a better investor and not quite as annoying. Mistake number 2, a narrow frame of reference. So did you start investing around 2009? Yeah? You've done pretty well. Of course you have. A monkey throwing darts could have picked a winning portfolio in the past decade. A decade that saw the biggest stock market bull run we've seen in history. So calm down, genius. Investing is for the long haul. So whether you're getting hyped up about your recent success or you're terrified about a big drop, making emotional decisions based on a narrow frame of reference is pure poison for your portfolio. So get some perspective. Mistake number 3, anchoring bias. Oh man, this is a tough one. We're way too influenced by the price we bought something for. The price of a stock, the price of a house, whatever. We get stuck to it. It's like a mental anchor. The problem is that mental anchor can drag us down to the bottom of the ocean. When it comes to markets, whatever number we have in our head is meaningless. It actually has nothing to do with the actual market value of that thing. So how can this hurt us? It leads to anchoring statements of pure destruction. When it goes back up to where it should be, that's when I'll sell. I have seen people ride a bad investment, maybe you have, all the way down to 0, being weighed down by this mental anchor. Don't let this happen to you. Your investment is worth exactly what the market says it's worth. No more, no less. So don't make any decisions based on your fantasy number in your head. There. So are you all right? Are you okay? I didn't mean to hurt your feelings, but it's so important for you to not trust your instincts around money. We're all hardwired to do it all wrong. So when you face a financial decision, make sure to take a step back, seek some outside advice, and not give in to your impulses. Special thanks to Hyder College of Business at Creighton University for helping sponsor this channel. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please subscribe. And make sure to check out the video description below for links and resources. I'll see you next time.